What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today is track day. Track day, man. About to dig Meech up out of here. Get the tire switched over. I was gonna put the radials on first because I want to spray it straight out the trailer. But we done tried the radials. I'm gonna take them, don't get me wrong, but my first pad was gonna be a nitro hit straight out the trailer. But I think we're gonna put the Hoosiers on first because I want to see how it's gonna look too, and put the slicks on. I want to see how they're gonna look, see how they're gonna fit, and the first pad's gonna be on the Hoosiers so we can get that data because they're more important. That's why I bought them, so we can get the data, man, on motor, and we're gonna see what it do. Wipe y'all off. Might not spray it on the Hoosiers, man. Depending on what the motor head look like. If the motor head look good, then I might go ahead and spray it on the Hoosiers. But I'm prepared for the car to go a little slower because the radial is a faster tire. So today we mainly testing tires and showing y'all the difference. This is my first time ever on Hoosiers, so you know, finna bad Meech out, man. Let y'all get this cold start, hit it double rumble. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, BCG fam, we all locked and loaded. Look at Meech over there. Meech look good on them old white leather, man. Look good on them old white leather. We finna see what it do though. Look good on the front runner too, man. I'm glad I went with the 28-inch tall front runners instead of 26. I think 26 will look a little funny on there with it being a bigger car. Meech look good. Whole lot slimmer tire, lighter in the front. So now we're gonna see what it do, man. We're gonna leave first pad, motor, tram, brake, man. We're gonna see what to Meech and see what to these Hoosiers. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're checking in. Y'all see we made it. We touched down. We touched down with Meech. These big Hoosiers on here, man. We're finna see what it do. First pass out the trailer on the motor. We're gonna see what to. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tire pressure while it's up here on the trailer. And y'all know me, man. Probably gonna be the first one down the track. Ain't nobody hardly here right now. Y'all see. Perfect time. So y'all don't know, man. That's how you do it. Folk be trying to wait all night to get to the track. They come down here and make one shakedown. Nah. That's cool, you got some shaking, but come down here, do what you gotta do, man. Cause I won't be trying to stay down here all night, especially if I ain't got nothing shaking with nobody now. I'm like, man, hey, come down here, do what I gotta do, get the footage for y'all, get the data for myself, and we head on back. We head on back, man. I need to put my 6x9 back in there. Ain't no need in doing it right now. It's just gonna end up right back, right there. Be throwing it out, man. I'm going to see Herb. He can bolt my 6x9 down. But let me get old Meech off of this trailer, man. Then turn y'all back on. All right, checking in, y'all. Just see him in the stage lane with Meech. Looking like money, man. Them white leather. It's something about them white leather, man. They look good. Rims brand new. Straight out the plastic. They looking good. They shining. They ain't got tarnish yet. But I ain't recorded. But I set the shop, man. I got up under there, did me some shop tweaking based on what I think gonna have to happen with these big boy Hoosiers. So we finna see. Y'all know I gotta do a big burnout cause I gotta get the sticker off. I still got the stickers on, man. You know it's tradition when you get new slicks, radials, you don't pull the sticker out, you gotta burn it off. Let's see. You can't see it over there either. I gotta burn them off though. I gotta burn the stickers off, so we're gonna do a good big smoky burnout. We're gonna see what old Meech do, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. So I made one hit and I'm all ready for put the radios on. I'm gonna study that. I'm gonna study what I got. Kind of hard. It felt like it spun a little bit, but I was gonna do another hit, but man, we were delayed an hour and a half from the track going hot, and I'd rather go down the track on nitrous and try to get it go down. So I'm about to go ahead and put the radios on until I know what work. And I'm gonna try to hit it with the gas. So we're gonna switch these things over right quick, pop the bottle in, man. Try to make another hit. So y'all stay tuned. Got the nitrous in, pressure up, ready. Finna make a nitrous hit, man. Wife done set the tire pressure. Let's see what to it, man. I got the front end loose, so y'all might see some. Y'all might see some. Boom. We're gonna see, man, but I'm trying to get this thing go down the track, man. I was gonna leave on the tram brake, but I'm a foot brake and try to get it go down. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. Let me sit down, man. Got back from the track. It's actually the next day, but it's been a lot shaking. All that, man, and I ain't get a chance to close y'all out, tell y'all what happened, all that good stuff. So, basically, the day didn't go as planned, cause it was a delay. Y'all know I like to get in there and do what I gotta do, man. Time get to going by fast and all that, man. So when we had to set an hour. Let me stand up, man. I'm gonna have to hold this phone. I ain't got no camera. We had to set an hour. So I was like, off top, I already know it's over with. And I wanted to get some more testing on the Hoosiers. But they were having problems with the time clock. So y'all know I love my left lane. So I went down. Hoosiers did okay. I probably could have tweaked the shots a little more and really got them to do what it do. But y'all see it pulled the front tire a little bit. There was a motor hit. Got down there, got around. Couldn't see the ticket. I said, man, it didn't log no 1/8 mile time or no mile per hour. But judging by my 60 and 330, it was about, well, I ain't know what it was. I'm pretty sure. I know this stuff. I know what my car do. It was about 2/10 slower. So, but I mean, that's expected. That's expected. If you run it on slick versus a radial is a much faster tire. People probably know that. Some people don't. If you run it on a drag radial, a radial pro or a pro bracket, it's a faster tire. Your car gonna pick up. If you get it to work, my bad. If you get it to work, your car gonna pick up, man. So that was expected. But I wasn't testing that, expecting my car to go fast. It's just the fact of I never tried Hoosiers. And I just wanted to try them for myself. I always bought Mickey Thompson. Always. Mickey Thompson. I never did my first set of Hoosiers I ever owned. And I just wanted to try them. I want to try. Now, I run a steel sidewall because you use a steel sidewall on a heavier car. A lighter weight car, you don't really need a steel sidewall, but I run a steel sidewall. And I mean, all in all, I like the Hoosier, man. They pretty decent tire. Now, it's hard for me to get real world data because I have not had Mickey Thompson slicks ever on Meech since I had this setup, or ever period. It's been years since I had Mickey Thompson slick. That was back when I had the old big block, years ago. I bet y'all camera had cut off. But what I was saying is it been years since I had some Mickey Thompson slicks on Meech. So I'm going to end up buying some steel sidewall Mickey Thompson slick and then take the Hoosiers off and compare. Because I ain't buying another set of big expensive. I'm not having 3 sets of back rims just because I got Hoosiers, Mickey Thompsons, and my Radial Pro car. I just take them out. I don't mind switching slicks, but I wasn't going to be switching between one set of rims. So I got my rim for my slick, my rim for my radial. Now the nitro pad. It might have looked okay, but it wasn't nothing. It wasn't nothing because it blew through the converter extremely bad again, man. So I'm like, I really don't, I know what I gotta do. I got 1 or 2 options, or I could do both options, but I'm undecided on what I want to do. It blew through the converter bad, and I caught the shifts good, perfect. Second to third, the light never went off, man. I just heard it just whining. It wasn't doing nothing. Man. So, but when it was finna hit, it was finna go. It spun the tire, man. The car just, it makes so much power. I like to tell people how much it really makes, but it just ain't time for it yet. But it makes so much power, man. It just, like, you gotta tame it down. So it hit the tire, and of course, I had it on 30%. Hit the tire, and then got back on it, and it started blowing through the converter. Bad. Tack light never went off. If your tack light never go off, you know you blowing through. Never went off. So, and then that the smoke y'all saw at the end was just the oil catch can where it's full, and it blowing it up, and then it just kind of spit out off around the breather cap. That's why people wipe a rag around it, cause when it full and it build up pressure in the crankcase, well, obviously the oil gonna go through the lines, And if it's full, it just push it up through the filter cap, and it just poop, shoot just a mist out. That's why it don't hit the ground. It just shoot a mist out, the header's hot, the engine, and then it creates the smoke. But that ain't nothing. I just go out there, put a bucket on it, drain it, close it up, and we good. So it wasn't nothing messed up. It's just an oil catch can. Time to dump it. Drain it, not dump it. But there wasn't nothing. But all in all, Meech did good. But for now, since I know it's pointless taking the car to the track, continuing to run it on the radials or slicks or whatever on nitro, it ain't gonna happen right now. I know what I got to do. So, but it run perfect on fours. So I'm gonna have 20 fours on Meech right now until I decide which way. It's like I said, it's one or two things I got to do, and it's just my preference on which one I want to do. So while I ponder on that, I'm gonna put the rims on the car, and if I take it, it'll be on some fours or something running on motor, might spread, whatever. But that's what it is, man. So appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all later. BCG, we out.